This is unboxing and also just the condition of the game that I've bought. It's Tom Clancy's The Division Sleeper Agent Edition. So the cool thing about this is it comes with a whole bunch of extras, not just like a rare game where you just get the game and it's rare, which is pretty cool to have a rare game, but sometimes you want more to the, for the more modern games, you want something more interesting. So unfortunately this one, the seller, I didn't disclose that it had ripped before, so you can see it's got a bit of a rip there and it's got a tear there on the outside sleeve. But yeah, we can just take that sleeve off. Perfect. So the sleeve just reveals the exact same cover art as the sleeve cover art, and then this is the cover art. Oh yes, it's for PlayStation 4. This is PlayStation 4 version. So the cool thing is you just slide these two sections off here. Section number 1, let's put that behind there. Section number 2. There we go. So in this special edition, you get a cool book with all the artwork for the, well, not all the artwork, but some of the artwork that's featured from the game. That's a cool one. That's pretty neat. All the graffiti. Artwork. It's still in good condition. Then we've got a poster. I probably would have kept this poster sealed, but never had it. Save what remains. It's pretty cool. Yeah, when I got it, it was open already, so that's open, but it's still in excellent condition. Hasn't been mounted or anything like that. Then Tom Clancy's The Division for PS4, still brand new sealed. You can see that shiny plastic. PS4 seal still there, not slit open here. Sometimes I've seen games that are slit open here, still completely sealed, except for there's a slit here. Some of the second-hand guys like to just cut it open to see if the disc actually is still installed in there, but that's not advised. Then it comes with PlayStation Plus membership. I think that's definitely been used. Then Tom Clancy's The Division Season Pass. That's probably been used. And then these are the codes and stuff on the back of this for extra gear. Then it comes with this pouch that's, you can see he's wearing it on his arm here. That pouch there. Here's the pouch. Inside here are the straps for the pouch. They're the straps. And then the last cool thing about this, which is quite unique, I don't remember seeing any other game that comes with a watch. So it's got a cool logo on there. Then inside, got a matte black watch. Because it's a matte black, it does get quite dirty. You can see it's quite, well, I'm not sure if it shows it on camera, but it's quite, like, it looks like almost sticky, but it's not. It's just the finish that's on the watch. You can see it. Dirt unfortunately does stick to it quite easily. So it comes with a little bean bag that it comes with. Then yeah, we see it comes with a screwdriver and some instructions. There's extra links in case you want to actually wear it and make the band bigger. There, brand new battery, never been used. And then some more instructions. So yeah, it's quite a cool special edition of the game. If you're really into the Division or any of Tom Clancy's games, I would recommend that you look out for this edition. And if you've got the real estate for it, if you've got the space for it, because it does take up quite a bit of space. If you look at the game versus the actual size of the box, it's like almost 3 games by like 1.5 games down, so it does take a little bit of space. But yeah, hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah, see you again soon.